Everybody, Assalamu alaikum. How have you been? Hopefully, all of you are both physically and mentally okay, well, and fine. This is my fifth video about English speaking skill. My dear audience, our today topic is how we can express ourselves in English language with simple words. My dear audience, if we know the basic simple words of English language, then it is very much easier for everyone to speak in this language. And these basic words are: number one, noun, and these noun are man, woman, child, people, place, person, point, part, problem, time, day, week, year, world, way, life, thing, case, number, fact, hand, I, okay, company, group, government. All are pronouns. There are 25 nouns. There are 25 nouns. Now I am saying about pronouns. Okay, you can ask me what is nouns. Okay, the answer is noun is nothing but a naming word. Already I have covered nouns. Now I am going to share with you about pronouns. You can ask me what is the pronoun. Okay, the pronoun is nothing but a name. Instead of noun, it is used. My dear audience, now going to learn pronouns. Okay, I, me, my, আমি, আমাকে, আমার, we, us, our, আমরা, আমাদেরকে, আমাদের, you, your, তুমি, তোমাকে, তোমাদের, you, your, তোমরা, তোমাদেরকে, তোমাদের, he, him, his, সে, তাকে, তার, she, her, সে, তাকে, তার, মহিলাদের ক্ষেত্রে, it, its, ইহা, ইহাকে, ইহার, they, them, their, তারা, তাদেরকে, তাদের, সাকিব, সাকিবস, সাকিব, সাকিবকে, সাকিবের. Okay, like this way you can practice. My dear audience, who, whom, whose, কে, কাকে, কার, all are pronouns. Already I have covered nouns and pronouns. Now come to verb. Okay, there are basic verbs, actually two types of verb: main verb and auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb two types: be verb, have verb, and modal verbs. Okay, I am now saying about modal verbs: can, could, will, would, shall, should. Okay, can, could, will, would, shall, should, may, might, must. All are modal verbs. Modal verbs, if we want to place verb after this verb, that time the other verb will present form. Like I can go, আমি যেতে পারি, I can, modal verb, and then base form of verb. Okay, go, I can go, আমি যেতে পারি. Okay, I could go, আমি যেতে পারতাম. My dear audience, I will come very soon with my another video about modal verbs. Okay, now come to our another verbs. If you ask me what is the verb is nothing, it's a action word. Okay, it's a action word. My dear audience, I will come with very soon with my another video. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy, be smile. Assalamu alaikum.